Hey everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Nick. Today is going to be a very simple and relaxing video. I'm just out walking my dog, walking around the neighborhood, and talking with you in natural English. If you are learning English, this kind of listening practice is really important. You don't always need difficult grammar or fast conversations. Sometimes the best practice is just listening to simple, natural English again and again. So today, let's just walk together. Right now, the weather is actually pretty nice. It's warm, but not too hot. I really enjoy going on walks like this because it helps me relax after work. I work from home, so sometimes I spend too much time inside the house. When I go outside and walk around, I feel much better mentally. My dog also gets really excited when we go for a walk. The moment I touch the leash, she already knows what's happening. I think dogs are really smart. Sometimes they understand routines better than people do. Every day around the same time, my dog starts watching me carefully like, "Are we going outside yet?" And honestly, walking a dog is kind of good motivation for exercise too. Even if I feel tired or lazy, I still have to get up and walk. Lately, I've been trying to focus more on improving myself little by little. Not in some huge dramatic way, just small improvements every day. For example, studying Japanese consistently, walking more, spending less time doom scrolling on social media, trying to create videos more regularly. I think consistency is more important than motivation. A lot of people wait until they feel motivated, but motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel amazing. Other days you feel tired and unproductive. But if you can still do something small, even on bad days, you improve over time. One thing I've learned while studying Japanese is that language learning takes much longer than people expect. At first, I thought I could become fluent really quickly, but now I realize language learning is more like going to the gym. You cannot become fit in 1 week. You cannot study for 10 hours in one day and suddenly become fluent. It's more about thousands of small moments over time. Listening, reading, studying vocabulary, making mistakes, repeating things again and again. Sometimes progress feels slow, but when you look back after a few months, you realize you've improved a lot. That's actually one reason I wanted to start this channel. I wanted to create simple English content that feels natural and relaxing. A lot of English learning content is very intense. Fast talking, complicated explanations, difficult vocabulary. But for many learners, especially beginners and intermediate learners, that can feel overwhelming. I want this channel to feel more like listening to a friend talk naturally. No pressure, no stress, just simple English you can enjoy every day. Right now, we're walking down a pretty busy street. There are a lot of cars, people walking around, and a lot of noise compared to quieter areas. I actually like walking in places like this sometimes. It feels more alive and active. When I walk through busy streets, I like looking around and observing everything. Everyone is doing something different. Some people are going home from work. Some people are shopping. Some people are eating at restaurants or meeting friends. Everybody has their own daily life and routine. Sometimes life feels very busy and stressful. So taking a walk like this helps me relax and clear my mind a little bit. I think it's important to slow down sometimes. A lot of people spend all day working, looking at screens, or worrying about different things. Even a simple walk outside can help you feel better mentally. I also think moments like this are good for thinking. Sometimes I think about my goals, what I want to improve, and what I want to do in the future. Little by little, I want to continue improving myself and building good habits. Sometimes I listen to music while walking, sometimes podcasts, and sometimes I just walk around without headphones and think about life. I think modern life is so noisy all the time. Notifications, videos, social media, messages. So having quiet time is important. Even 10 or 20 minutes outside can really help clear your mind. One thing I've been thinking about recently is how important long-term goals are. For example, with Japanese, I know I won't become amazing overnight, but if I keep studying consistently for years, eventually I'll reach a very high level. I think many good things in life work like that. Fitness, language learning, saving money, building confidence, and creating content. The hardest part is usually continuing when results are slow. But even slow progress is still progress. Also, thank you to everyone supporting this channel already. Even if this channel is still small, I really appreciate every comment, every view, and every person listening. I hope these videos can help you feel more comfortable with English. And honestly, I want these videos to feel relaxing too. Almost like you're just walking together with a friend and practicing English naturally. Well guys, that has been all for today. I hope you enjoyed walking with me, and I'll see you on the next one.